welcome student. Today we are going to see the exercise of grammar, second lesson, the use of nouns, the possessive form. Okay, we already explained you in the class. The possessive means the apostrophe you can use when the people and animal will be there, and if no people and animal will be there or things will be there, then at that time you can use of. If you know these two rules, then you can solve this exercise so easily. So see the first sentence, my head stopped. Okay, what you have to do? First, underline the word which is having the possessive form. Okay, here the head is having the possessive form, but you can see as per the rule, the people and animal is having the possessive form, and head is not a people and animal. That's why this sentence is wrong. So how you can write this sentence? With the help of the top of my head. Okay, then this will be a correct sentence. Now see the second sentence, the table's leg. Here again underline the word, and again the apostrophe, the possessive form is having to the table, and table is a thing. So which word you can use? You can use of. So what will be your answer? The legs of the table. This will be a correct sentence. See the third sentence, the book's corner. Again underline the word books, and books is the thing. So which word you can use? You can use of. You can't use the apostrophe s, or you can say the possessive form for the book, because book is a non-living thing. So what will be the answer? The cover of the book. This will be a correct sentence. Now see the fourth sentence, the room of Arun. Here you can observe here the people name. Okay, Arun is a people, so you can use the possessive form here to the Arun. So what will be the answer? Arun's room. Okay, that room is belong to Arun, so answer will be the Arun's room. See the fifth one, the father of Jane. Again Jane is the name of the people, so you can write Jane's. Okay, you can write apostrophe to the Jane's father. So this will be a correct answer. Now the room's corner. Here one more time underline the word which is having the possessive form. The room is having the possessive form, and room is a thing, so you can use here of. So what will be the answer? The corner of the room. The corner of the room will be the correct answer. Now in the seventh sentence, the bank's manager. I already told you, underline the word which is having the possessive form. Here the bank is having the possessive form. Now you know where that bank is not a people and animal, means you have, this sentence is wrong, so you have to use of. So what will be the sentence? The manager of the bank. This is the correct sentence. Now 8.1, the clothes of my sister. Here you can see the sister is a people, so you can use apostrophe s here. So what will be the answer? My sister's clothes. So this will be the correct one, because these clothes are belong to the sister. That's why my sister clothes will be the correct answer. And the last one, the head of the elephant. Again the elephant is an animal, so you can use the possessive form here. The elephant's head. The elephant's head will be the correct sentence. That's for this exercise. I hope students you understood this exercise very well. Thank you.